In fact, what they did to our mothers that protest in Enugu state is unbelievable. As you can see the smoke from that direction. That is as a result of the tear gas and the G word they release on them. You understand? I don't want to pronounce it all. The G they release on them. If you can do this to mothers who are just protesting, I wonder what these people will do to young ones. So this is what they are saying. It is so sad indeed. Hello, beautiful family. Welcome back to this wonderful platform. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you for your support. I really do appreciate. If today is the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing our voice for the first time, please do well to follow this platform to get all the latest updates. You know, here we react to all videos and I try to give you all the latest update. So sit back, let us dive into the reason why we are here today. So my wonderful family, I just want to give you a quick one because if you see what is going on for over 2 days now, it has been like cats and rats back to back raiding in Biafra land. And it happens that the little clip you just watched about our mothers protesting what happened to them is unbearable. In fact, they call on the uniform men on them and they release some tear gas on their faces. They release the G on them. Just imagine mothers that are trying to protest for peace, mothers that are saying no, the government will hear our voice, mothers that are saying no, our voice need to be heard, our children are dying, our youth, they are killing our youth, we became orphan, we are now like people without children, we became widows at a very tender age. Our husband have been taken away, children we don't see them, kidnapping everywhere, everybody's running kitty kitty kata kata, nobody is safe. Even for you to close your eyes in the middle of the night that you want to sleep is a problem. And these are mothers, they thought it wise and said, oh, what are we going to do for the government to hear our voice? What are we going to do for them to know that of a truth we exist? What are we going to do for them to know that we are serious? So believe me, it did not go well with a lot of people. They just opened fire on mothers. Can you imagine that? That is why they said the way the present government, the way they are handling this situation is something else. This is the basic reason why people really feel that they are not together with Nigeria, honestly speaking, because the discrimination is real, the maltreatment is real. Just imagine mothers coming out to say they are protesting for the immediate release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They said they are protesting because of what is going on in southeastern part of Nigeria that they did not like, and they did not welcome all these latest developments. And believe me, what happened? They tear on them. They descend on them as if they can go and fight Boko Haram. That is gradually destroying things, destroying properties, destroying human beings, turning everything upside down. And just innocent people, if you see the mothers, when you look at them, you know that they are harmless. When you look at them, you know that they don't even have razor blade. Only what they have is that if this the word of the mouth, just the speech, that is only what they have. And there are a lot of people that are in Nigeria, they take the country as their own. They do everything that they want to do. They do all manners of atrocity. They commit all evil just because they are government officials or they are government personnel or they are so close to the government, and they do anything and go away with it. But for the common man, they try to crucify him. In that the protest is coming from southeastern part of Nigeria and is coming from our mothers. Oh, they need to crucify them. They need to show their lesson. They need to show that yes, they should belong to Nigeria and nothing more. They need to be quiet. They don't need to talk. Who does that? This is the height of it. We've watched a situation whereby a lot of people in northern part of Nigeria try to express themselves, like I mean the northerners, even from Nigerians, but try to express themselves, and the government immediately listen to them and immediately attend to them. But when it comes to the people of southeastern part of Nigeria, they assume that they are nobody. In fact, you can see what is going on, that as they keep on fighting, as they keep on doing as if they are not cleared, the Biafrans are serious trying to exit Nigeria by 2023. Okay, so a lot of things has been going on. This is a main market and Biafra flag is already raised, and it looks so surprising to a lot of people. They were trying to call for help, that seeing Biafra flag up in this very moment, in this very situation, that is not going to go well with them, that is going to cause a lot of chaos, is going to cause a lot of problem very very soon, that you people support Simon Ekpa. Honestly speaking, the threat is that federal government of Nigeria seeing Nigeria flag raised higher in the morning. In fact, is a surprising thing to a lot of people, because they never see this coming. They never expected it, neither did they hope for it. In fact, it is so surprising that the Biafrans they know did not even have this mind. But they should know that they've already messed with the wrong generation this time around. This time around is a time that they don't look at faces of anybody. They do whatever they want to do. And today Biafra flag is raised in Enugu already. I can still hear some people saying they are wasting their time. See, till then you will know if really the autopilot IPOP they are wasting their time, or it's you that is wasting your time, because as it stands right now, divided we fall and united we stand. Hopefully, I just hope that everything work together for good and peace and harmony to reign among everyone. People, that bring us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here I said bye.